My name is Stanley Wood. I'm a senior program officer at the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, and I work in the agricultural development program, particularly in the policy and data team. I started working in 1992 with ISNAR, the International Service for National Ag Research, which at that time was one of the CGIAR institutions with the mandate to work on issues surrounding the delivery of R&D services within countries. There was a great seminal book published at that time. I think it was Pardee, Anderson, and Rosenbaum, and it published the early statistics that they'd collected from countries around agricultural research. And one of the very interesting parts of it was the number of blank pages in it. The data that could not be found, or the blanks in that data. It's amazing what the ASTI project has done over a long time. It's taken a long time to sort out the methods, get that mechanism working to collect, collate, clean, harmonize those data sets so they're consistent and credible, and get those published and accessible. So switching a little bit to the use of that data, certainly in the Gates Foundation, we're in the agricultural team, so we know what the utility of that information is. But we also, through our co-chairs, Bill and Melinda, we bring to their attention things that are of importance to the future of agriculture. So we have a team, the Global Policy and Advocacy team, who are always looking for this type of information so they can raise the issues around agricultural research and development more broadly to the whole donor community. We want to know more about what type of education discipline that we need to invest in, what type of programs. Is it breeding program? Is it agronomy program? Is it livestock health? Some of those decisions require data on the past investments in those areas and comparing that to the size and structure of agriculture in a country. I think the other thing which increasingly the ASTI program has done is looked at the outputs of research. It's great to know what the input is, but if we want to think about the efficiency and effectiveness of these research systems, and we do, we'd like to advance that, then it's good to know what those outputs are. How many varieties are they putting out? What is their sort of publications? Another area that sort of ASTI program has progressed a lot is the way in which all of these, the data and the derived data is actually accessible. You can go online now and download for yourself those data sets, which maybe even 5 or 6 years ago were still embedded in the spreadsheet. And I know there's a lot of investment going on it to make that even easier and to make those tools on which you can apply to that data is an important area. I think they're trying to increase their investment in.